'87 Suburban. And all the front half stripped out. I would call this phase 1 of probably about 3 of a detailed cleaning I will do. So I pulled the carpet out, vacuumed, cleaned all 4 of these door jambs, even behind the door panels. I literally sprayed that off with a hose pipe, scrubbed it with a brush. Phase 2, I'll pull all this out, wipe the floor down, pull the headliner down, side panels, back half. And all the dirty floor back there too. I guess phase 3 will be when I take the dash apart, and there'll be a bunch of dust and debris and dirt behind it. I'll vacuum it out, blow it out with the air compressor, wipe it down, clean the inside of the glass while everything's removed. The problem with these, the seatbelt bolts broke. They're all stuck. It's been in there a long time. So I soap them down with some WD-40, and I'll give them another go later. Alright, be back soon. Probably show a different vehicle after this video. Back to the Monte Carlo. And eventually back to this one. Thanks for watching, guys.